This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside your Google form, open the Responses tab, and link to a Google Sheet so live data flows out automatically. Make sure your key questions are multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-downs because those produce clean counts for bar graphs. Once done, open the linked sheet and scan headers. Those are your series. You're forcing structured data first because a bar graph depends on categorical counts rather than free text, which breaks automated aggregation. Now you move into the Google Sheet to aggregate answers. Use a pivot table or COUNTIF formulas to produce category totals. Create a pivot. Data right arrow pivot table, add the question as rows, and use count of responses as values. That yields one row per choice with counts. Label the output columns category and count, then sort by count descending so the largest bars appear first. This step converts individual responses into the numeric series the chart needs. With your category and count table ready, select the range and choose Insert Right Arrow Chart. In the chart editor, pick a bar chart and confirm rows versus columns orientation so categories map to the axis correctly. Adjust series and axis labels, set colors, and enable data labels to make values visible. If the chart shows blanks or zeros, refresh the pivot or confirm COUNTIF ranges. Make sure labels are text and counts are numeric. If problems persist, relink the sheet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.